Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to add ratings to your videos in a Windows PC or laptop. So firstly, navigate your video, and if you want to give a rating to any videos, so right click on it, properties, then here click on details. Now here you can give the rating like 3 star, 4 star or 5. Then click on apply, then OK. Right click on it, properties, very basic and easy setting. Apply and OK. So this is the basic way guys to add ratings to your videos. Thanks for watching. Please comment this video useful for you or not.